Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 26. Boys and girls, we are here again to learn our new sound. So, let us do some reviewing first. S, t, a, n, I, k, h, m, d, e, r, g, a, f, o, l, b, e, o, I, j, I, o, z, w. Sit tight, kids. Let's listen to our story to learn our new sound. It is Saturday afternoon and Bing has come to play at Mark's house. They start by having a game of ping pong. Then they play with a race car. Let's see what's on television, says Mark. There might be some motor racing. They put on the television. Look at that man, says Bing. He is a weightlifter, says Mark. Bing and Mark watch the man as he lifts some huge weights. The man grunts as he lifts. Mm, mm, mm. He must be strong, says Bing. Let's be weightlifters, says Mark. They use a broom and a mop as weights. As they pretend to lift the weights, they go mm, 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 just like the weightlifter. Mm. Now it's reading time. Let us read some words with You notice two letters come together to make the sound. Let us begin. Sound first, then reading. S, a, sang. R, I, ring. S, w, I, swing. L, a, lung. L, I, cling. Very good, children. I bet you did very well. Let's try to read some words on your own. As you read these words, have mommy or daddy record you and send the recording to your teacher. She would love to hear you read. How proud teacher would be. Now it's dictation time. Get out your books. I'm going to call 4 words for you. And I would like you to write it on your notebooks. Take your time to write now. First word, king. K-A-N. King. Talk for king. Then we are going to have gang. G-A-N. Gang. Next word, hung. H-A-N. Hung. Next word, bring. B-R-I-N. Bring. Very good, children. Remember to send a picture of your words to your teacher.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!